Solar energy is a great way to reduce your carbon footprint and save on energy costs. But to make the most of it, you need to know how to correctly size your solar array. The first step is understanding your energy needs. This can be done by examining your monthly electricity bills. We'll need to look at your energy usage in kilowatt hours and aim to generate that amount with your solar array. Next, we'll consider the amount of sunlight your location receives. This depends on your geographic location, the orientation of your roof, and the average number of sun hours your area receives per day. The size of your roof and any potential shading should also be factored in. Even the best solar panels can't produce electricity if they're in the shade. Solar panels have different efficiencies. The more efficient the panel, the fewer you will need. However, more efficient panels can also be more expensive, so you'll need to balance cost and efficiency. Keeping all these factors in mind, we can customize your solar array to meet your energy needs. The goal is to balance your energy needs with the available space and sunlight. And that's how you custom size a solar array for your home. Thanks for watching.